Mr. Cocky. Cocky Balboa train, Brady train, Newton, Trizzy Hendrix, we in the building. I'm on a video shoot. I gotta be the best. My man JD gonna make it look crazy. Tony Valentino behind the scenes, we gonna kill everything. The dress room is on the way. Hang it up. And I'ma send him to the coke check. Train.
Hey, what's going on? It's James Sommer. I'm the director of this music video here. The concept of this video is this train, doing a wild performance. It's very animated, so I wanted to give him a lot of room to perform and do his thing. We're going to chop it up really good and just try to make it hype, as loud as we can.
We got the cools, paper on the inside, never been worn. Never touched the floor. Never touched the floor. Come here, horses.
Now I'm going to get our camera.
Never touched the. You be the judge. You be the judge.
Who does that?
Bobo, Lil Train. Come here. Lift your feet up. Lift your foot up. Come on. That's it. You ain't have to say nothing else. Lil Train.
It's convenient to hip hop. It will be useful. It will let me still
A-Train. Make sure y'all check me out. Twitter.com/whoistrain. No spaces. YouTube, whoistrain, no spaces. Check me out, man. Radio interviews. Everything is on there. You can get in touch with me. Contact me. See what's going on. The dress room is coming, man. I'm on my way. Y'all know I'm there. You can feel it. You can feel it. We in here. Rappers at home shivering. Train coming, train coming.